Welcome back to another episode of Varix tries to find some interesting Paganis. Today I'm here because I've heard rumors about some quirky cars. So what are we waiting for? Let's see if I can get to see them. Haha! Alright, not a bad start. So it looks like we have a wire at the back and in the front, well, this is what I was looking for. It's a brand new Pagani Utopia with the Zonda-Cinque livery. Take a look. Wow, I really hope we will get to see them on the road. In the meantime, let's try to find something else. Here is the good old Pagani Museum. Let's see what they have for us inside. Alright, what do we have here? I think it should be a Huayra BC Roadster. Of course, it doesn't have the roof, so it also has the big giant wing at the back. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this will be a BC Roadster. Wow, take a look at that. Yeah, can confirm. Definitely a very interesting spec. But, well, I think it's time to go back outside. Ha! Back to the gate. I think there is something else. Yeah, definitely. Oh, check it out. Here it is. Now that's a spec for a Utopia. Alright, I think it's coming out. Oh my god, there is nothing like a Pagani on the road. Okay, talking about unexpected cars. Wow. Okay. What's going on? Oh, nice. Oh, GT3. Spider? Maybe? Wow, where are these cars coming from? Yeah, it definitely was a Spider. Very nice. GT3 in the front, BMW 1M, and Cayman. Definitely some unexpected cars. And check out the Performante. Okay, just a quick moment to appreciate this beautiful Ferrari GT3. Of course, the 1M. Yeah, also the Spider. And wow, the Performante. And now back to Paganis. Oh, I think it's coming back.